So let's see how these teams will battle it out in this match.
Well, you know, for our foreign
Lendres. Attack. For a save.
Chavez, they go to their go-to player.
Nice dig.
High punt.
Caught by Neverio there.
Chavez, not the tallest spiker here,
Exactly.
but you would see that andun yung kumpiyansa niya.
Palma with that attack. Ball is still alive.
University of Batangas, lamang dito ng 2 puntos. Great composition of the young players para sa University of Batangas. So for NCVH, it's less than 2 months of being together. Meanwhile, 5 months.
To Priscilla Williams. Ball is still alive. Caught by Gonzalez. With a block. Texon. For the attack. Open.
Ella Lucas.
One to two or 2-1. Hindap with a quick response. Ball is still alive. Lucas. An attack by Esguerra.
Chavez coming from behind.
Nice dig.
We go to Gonzalez, trying to adjust with that setup. Lucky shot.
Well, that